Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Already we have learned about the making yarn from cotton fiber. How it is cleaned, washed, then combed and then dyed with other chemicals to make it strong. In this way the yarn is prepared. From the yarn the fabric is prepared. Now spinning yarn. All the points in this chapter are very important. Spinning yarn. Take cotton ball and remove seeds from it. As I have told you in before video, take some of it in one hand and gently start pulling out of cotton by using thumb and forefinger. They have shown in the figure number 5. In this way, with the help of thumb and the forefinger, we have to start pulling it. Continuously twisting of the fiber will make yarn. Is it strong or not? Yes, if continuously the twisting means like this. So, then the yarn will become strong. The yarn that we make from cotton wool is not strong enough to be used for weaving. But this yarn that is twisted by our hands is not enough strong for weaving. To get strong yarn from fiber, takli, an instrument for spinning, has been used since olden days. In figure number 6 they have given, this is the picture of takli. With the help of takli they will spin the yarn. That means they will make into the thread. Charka is also used to make yarn. Not only the takli, from olden days takli is used, but nowadays they are using charka. With the help of that also you can make the yarn. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. So we have studied that we'll get small strand-like structures from the cotton. They are called as the fibers. So from fibers, the making of yarn is called as spinning. The process of making yarn from the fiber is called spinning. This is an important point. You have to note down. Now coming to the point, do you know? In our state, Nalgonda district, cotton is widely grown. In Nalgonda district, the main cultivation is cotton. To pick up maturing cotton balls from cotton plants, children works in field as child labor. So to pick up the cotton balls from the plants in the fields, children are working as a labor. Many voluntary organizations along with government are working to eradicate child labor. So the government and some organizations, they are working on this child labors, that they should stop taking child labors into the fields. Not only into the fields, it may be in hotels or anywhere. Children below 15 years are not allowed to do the job, because that is the time to go to school. So in case if they are taking these children for the work or daily labors, they will be punished. Think, why are children forced into labor? Give your own solutions to this problem. So we have to think why these children are forcing to go into the fields or hotels or anywhere to work. You have to think about this and you have to write the answer. I'll tell you few points about this. Maybe they are having lack of money. Parents are very poor, that they are not getting even the shelter and the food. So they are asking the children to go and do the work and to get the money. And one more thing is that lack of education. That means the parents are not educated and they don't want their children to be educated. They want just to go to the work and just earn some money, and if they have little house and the food, that is enough for them. So they don't have any outer knowledge. So in this way there are many points for the child labours. One more do you know box they have given. During the freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhi encouraged people to wear clothes made up of homespun khadi yarn. People burned imported clothes during Swadeshi movement. Yes, during the freedom fight, Gandhiji, he encouraged the people to wear only desi cloths. That means the cloths that are spinned and weaved in our country. The imported cloths from other country, we are getting some cloths. So we should not use those cloths, and immediately they have burned those cloths during Swadeshi movement. So Quit India movement, Swadeshi movement, lot of movements we have studied in the social studies. During that time, they burned the cloths, imported cloths they have burned, and they started weaving by themselves, and they encouraged our culture also. Jute yarn. Till now we have learned about the cotton. Now jute yarn. Have you seen gunny bags? Where do you see them? Gunny bags. These are the bags that are used in the fields. Like paddy, chili and other commercial crops are packed in these gunny bags. All bags of these types are made up of coarse jute fabric, and they will be in brown color. So these bags are made up of coarse jute fiber. You can see the jute plant in the picture. These bags are suitable for carrying heavy materials. Why are these bags used? To carry the heavy material. Do you know how jute yarn is made? In this process, same as that for cotton, or there is any other difference? Let us see. Like cotton, jute yarn is also useful in making fabric. The same way how the cotton is used to make the fabric, in the same way jute yarn also is used to make the fabric. It is also called as golden fiber. It may be come in the fill in the blanks, children. It is also called as golden fiber. Which one? Jute fiber. Jute fiber is also called as golden fiber. Jute fabric is not the same as cotton fabric. So cotton fabric and the jute fabric are not same. Cotton fabric is very smooth and lightweight, whereas jute fabric is harder, stronger and rough. So jute fabric is harder, stronger and nowadays you can see jute bags, jute saris. Many types of materials are coming from the jute in the market. Now making of jute yarn. How do they make a jute yarn? Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. In cotton, we have learned that cotton is obtained from the cotton balls. Here the jute fiber is obtained from the stem of that plant. The stem of the harvested plant is cut and immersed in water for some days. So what they'll do, they'll cut the stems of the jute plant and they'll keep it in the water. They'll immerse it in water for some days. When the stem is soaked in water, it becomes rotten and easy to peel. So when you soak it in the water, what happens? It is easy to peel off the outer layer. So they will immerse in water for some days. Then the fibers are separated from the stem to make a jute yarn. Now they will remove the fibers from the stem to make the yarn. How is jute yarn? Collect gunny bags, pull out the threads from the bag and observe under magnifying lens. You will see strand-like structures of yarn. Observe how these fibers look like. Compare these fibers with cotton fibers. If you have any gunny bag, you please take out one fiber and you observe. It is in golden color. It is very rough and strong when you compare to the cotton fiber. Next, do you know we all use polythene bags for different purposes. Polythene is very difficult to decompose. To protect our environment, we should use cloth bags instead of polythene bags. Yes, this is very important. Polythene bags in so many areas it is banned. Still, in some areas polythene bags are used. So by using these polythene bags, what happened? When we are burning the polythene bags, they are not decomposing in the soil. That means they are not mixing up. So our environment is getting polluted because of this polythene bags. So what should we do? In place of polythene bags, we should use cloth bags. Nowadays paper bags are there and cloth bags also available. So don't think of the neighbors or other society. First ourselves we should start to protect our environment. We should take the first step to protect our environment. For this, children, you encourage your parents to not use the polythene bags. You encourage them to use the cloth bags. So whenever they are going to the market, we have to take our own bags. And in this COVID time, it is very safety also to not touch the other bags from the outside. Maybe they are the carriers of the COVID. So what should we do? We have to take our own bags. Anyway, we are taking our own bags. In the place of the plastic or polythene bags, we have to take the cloth bags, jute bags. And suppose if you go to any medical shop, so they are giving the paper covers, not the polythene covers. So if you are not taking also, force others to give the polythene bags. Ask them to give paper bags. If suppose you have forgot to take the bag from your home, you ask them to give the paper bags, not the polythene bags. In this way, we ourselves first we should try to avoid the polythene bags. Then by looking us, someone will change. So the change comes, always the change comes within ourselves. If you want to change anything, the change should come within ourselves. So please children, keep this in mind. Try to change your parents and your neighbors to not use the polythene bags and try to protect our environment. In the same way, fiber is made from red sorrel and bamboo, gongura. From the red sorrel, it is called as red sorrel. From this plant also fiber is made. And from the bamboo plant also fiber is made. Hemp and flax are also plant fibers which are used in making cloths. Even the flax plants, hemp plants also give us fibers that are used to make cloth, but in smaller quantities as compared to the cotton. So cotton and the jute silk is more obtained and the usage is more, whereas hemp and flax and the red sorrel fiber is not used more. The usage is less. So this is all for today. And apart from the lesson, I want to tell you one thing. Write about this. This is your own task. Why the children are forced for child labor? Think and write few points, as well as in the same way, how to avoid the polythene bags. Just write like this. Disadvantages of using polythene bags and how to avoid the polythene bags. What should be used in place or instead of polythene bags? So what are the disadvantages? It will not decompose and our environment will get polluted. In this way you have to write. At the same time, in the place of polythene bags, we can use cotton, jute, paper bags. And how should we avoid? You can write a slogan and you write how to avoid it. This is all for today. So please do, this is the homework for you. You have to write about the child labor as well as the disadvantages and usage about the polythene. Clear children? Thank you.